Currency conversion is crucial for businesses, freelancers, and individuals dealing with international transactions. Automating this process saves time, reduces errors, and provides real-time accuracy, making financial tasks seamless and efficient. Using GS2WP Table and its extension, you can integrate dynamic currency conversion capabilities directly within Google Sheets and publish these results on your WordPress site with ease. Step 1. Install GS2WP Table plugin. To get started, log in to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins section and click on Add New. From here, upload the GS2WP Table plugin zip file by selecting Upload Plugin, then click Install Now and activate the plugin. Once activated, the GS2WP Table plugin allows you to seamlessly connect your Google Sheets with WordPress, setting the stage for automated data integration. Step 2. Install the GS2WP Google Sheets extension. With the WordPress plugin in place, the next step involves setting up the Google Sheets extension to enable dynamic data synchronization and advanced functionalities like currency conversion. Begin by opening any Google Sheet in your Google account. From the top menu, click on the Extensions tab, then select Add-ons and choose Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace. In the Marketplace, use the search bar to find the GS2WP Table extension. Once located, click on the extension to view its details. Next, press the Install button. A permissions dialog will appear, prompting you to grant access to your Google account for the extension to function correctly. After reviewing the permissions, click Allow to complete the installation process. After installation, the GS2WP extension will be available within your Google Sheets under the Extensions menu. This extension allows you to link your Google Sheets data dynamically to your WordPress site. By using this feature, you can implement real-time updates, such as currency conversion, without needing manual intervention. In the GS2WP Table extension, navigate to the Table option and click New Table under the Simple category. When prompted, specify 5 columns for amount, source currency, target currency, exchange rate, and converted amount. If you want to automate currency conversion directly in Google Sheets, follow this simple guide. 1. Set up your spreadsheet. Organize your spreadsheet with the following columns. 1. Amount, the value to convert. 2. Source currency, the currency to convert from. 3. Target currency, the currency to convert to. 4. Exchange rate, the real-time conversion rate. 5. Converted amount, the final converted value. 2. Use the Google Finance function for real-time rates. To get the real-time exchange rate between two currencies, use this formula. This fetches the exchange rate between USD and Euro directly in Google Sheets. 3. Dynamically convert between currencies. For flexibility with different currencies, use this formula. Here, B2 contains the source currency, and C2 contains the target currency. To calculate the converted amount, multiply the amount by the exchange rate to get the converted value. This formula automatically updates based on the specified currencies. Drag the formula down to apply it to all rows in your spreadsheet. Google Sheets dynamically calculates conversion for all entries, ensuring accuracy and real-time updates. The first step in this process is to open your Google Sheets document and launch the GS2WP Table extension. After installing the extension in Google Sheets, click on Extensions in the top menu, select GS2WP Table, and then click on Publish Table. With GS2WP, you can publish your Google Sheets directly on WordPress, making your dynamic currency conversion data accessible to your website users. This is perfect for financial calculators, pricing tables, or global e-commerce platforms. After publishing your table from Google Sheets, the next step is to head to your WordPress dashboard to generate the corresponding shortcode. Now that you have the shortcode, it's time to embed the table into your WordPress content. Start by creating a new post or page, or edit an existing one. Once you've added the shortcode, save or publish the post or page. You can now visit the page on your WordPress site to see your Google Sheets data live. Automating currency conversion using GS2WP Table and Google Sheets is a game changer for streamlining international financial processes. With real-time rates and dynamic formulas, managing currency conversions becomes effortless. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Stay tuned for the next video, where we explore more ways to enhance your productivity using Google Sheets and WordPress. See you soon!